This module will guide you through the advantages of MT Heavy Seamless when it comes to wall-to-wall or floor-to-ceiling typicals in heavy piping applications. Wall-to-wall or floor-to-ceiling applications can be challenging, since long steel profiles need to be maneuvered and correctly positioned into place. MTCGLHA is a highly versatile angle connector, which also functions as a seamlessly height-adjustable baseplate. It can be adjusted via the long holes of the angle connector or alongside the groove of the MT90H girder. The other side of the connector is equipped with the round holes, enabling fastening to concrete or direct fastening on steel. With Hilti's MT system, wall-to-wall or floor-to-ceiling typicals can be mastered with ease.